everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Today we're going to do a haul. I was at the Dollar Tree the other day and I found a ton of stuff that I wasn't really expecting to find. They didn't have what I was looking for, but I found other stuff. So I got really excited about it, and I don't normally do too many haul videos, but I thought I would today just because of the stuff that I found. First thing I found were these wood shapes, and I've noticed they've had more of these lately. So I got pretty excited. They're a nice size, and these are ornaments, and they had 4 of them left. Guess how many I have? So I grabbed the last 4 they had. They were unpacking more stuff, so I don't know if they were going to get more in, but I thought it would be fun to do these 4 different ways. I actually have 5 different ways in my head, but since I have 4, we'll do 4 different ways. So keep an eye out for those videos. Those will be coming up. And I also found this wood, Merry and Bright. Found a nice big star, little snowflakes. And these are all from a Dollar Tree, and so everything was $1 a piece. So I have this mesh, this brown mesh. I have these little floral balls, like these twig balls or something. I don't know what they're called. I have these icicles that light up. I have a snowman sled. I have these bells, which, by the way, would make perfect coasters or ornaments, or maybe they do double duty. And I found this reindeer, this glittered up reindeer with a wreath. I found the snowflake. I have a bell. I have raffia. And these little bells too. So if I can find another ornament, I'm going to do 5 versions of it. But right now I only have 4. So I have to figure out how I'm going to handle that. Because I have 5 ideas. I got to go to a different Dollar Tree. Maybe I can snag another ornament. So keep an eye out for those and all my other holiday crafting. And I will definitely see you next time, you guys. Tell me what you are doing for holiday crafts down in the comments below. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.